Students,
Good morning, ma'am.
how's your life?
Good, ma'am.
So today we want to study. So are you ready to study now?
Ready.
Ready, ma'am.
Okay, before we study, let's pray together in our religion. Pray is start. Amen. Okay, guys. Now I will check your attendance. So when I call your name, please answer it. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Reza.
I, ma'am.
Okay. Next is Ara.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is Anna.
Yes, ma'am.
Juna.
He is sick right now.
Oh, so he can attend this class.
Yes.
Okay, so next is Rio.
Ada acara keluarga, ma'am. Mungkin katanya.
Okay, it's okay. So guys, how was your holiday? Gimana nih liburan kalian selama ini? Kan kita baru pertama kali masuk lagi nih. Jadi mungkin bisa diceritakan apa yang kalian lakukan saat holiday kalian. Mungkin dari Reza, you first.
Saat holiday saya ini, saya pulang kampung tentu saja. Dan juga saya menghabiskan waktu bersama keluarga dengan kualitas yang sangat-sangat bermakna.
Okay, thank you Reza. How about Ara? How about kalian?
Waktu hari libur itu saya jalan-jalan, ma'am, ke CPI.
Wow.
Yes,
Oke,
terus
gaul.
ya suasana di sana menarik, indah. Apalagi banyak makanan, ma'am.
Oh, you're a food lover.
Yes, of course. I think just it, ma'am.
Okay, this is interesting. Okay, how about Anna?
Kalau saya memang pulang kampung juga, dan kita tahu itu suasana Lebaran, jadi otomatis saya happy dan kegiatannya mengunjungi keluarga lain yang beda dengan
I'm grateful to hear that. So guys, today we will learn about this present continuous tense. Okay, repeat after me. Present continuous tense.
Present continuous tense.
So guys, does anybody have heard about this? Atau ada yang pernah nih mungkin dengar tentang materi ini atau pernah dengar di mana gitu? Anyone? You?
Present continuous tense itu kalau tidak salah sebuah rumus yang berhubungan dengan apa yang terjadi sekarang.
Okay, that's good answer. Thank you, Reza. So apa yang Reza bilang, that's right. Present continuous tense itu berhubungan dengan kejadian yang sedang berlangsung. Nah, jadi guys, sebelum mulai pembelajaran tentang present continuous tense, Mem akan memberikan sedikit objektif tentang tujuan kita mempelajari present continuous tense pada hari ini. Jadi di sini akan Mem tulis, okay. And guys, I hope you listen to me carefully and don't distract to another thing. The first objective is be able to know what is present continuous tense and the use. To know Jadi objektif pada pembelajaran hari ini atau tujuan pembelajaran hari ini yaitu pertama be able to know what's present continuous tense and the use. Jadi Mem harap dari pembelajaran hari ini teman-teman bisa tahu nih apa itu tentang present continuous tense, definisinya, dan bagaimana penggunaannya. Lalu yang kedua, be able to know how to make a correct present continuous tense using the formula. Jadi, yang harap hari ini kalian juga dapat mengerti bagaimana cara membuat the right atau bagaimana cara membuat present continuous yang benar menggunakan aturan atau formula yang benar. Okay. Now we move to the material. So guys, based on what Reza say earlier, jadi apa yang dimaksud dengan present continuous tense? Present continuous tense is a tense that you can use to explain or taking a place or express a place during a certain time on the present. Jadi yang dimaksud dengan present continuous tense yaitu tense yang digunakan untuk mengekspresikan something that happening now, yang sedang terjadi sekarang dan dalam waktu sekarang ini. Oke. Contohnya seperti main, drinking tea. Ini adalah salah satu contoh dari present continuous tense. Jadi sampai situ, is it clear guys? Do you understand about it? The definition of present continuous tense? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you for your response. So guys, there's important thing you have to know about present continuous tense. First is jadi seperti yang sudah dibilang tadi, present continuous tense itu untuk waktu yang sedang dijalankan sekarang, sesuatu yang untuk menyatakan sesuatu yang sedang dijalankan sekarang. Nah, itu dapat berubah berupa percakapan yang sedang berlangsung sekarang, maupun kegiatan yang sedang berlangsung sekarang. Okay, like this. Okay guys, are you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, jadi itu untuk penggunaan waktu dalam menggunakan present continuous tense. Okay, next we want to discuss about penggunaan present continuous tense pada suatu kalimat. Jadi kita nggak boleh sembarangan menggunakan present continuous tense. There is a rule. First is things that are happening now. Things that happening now berarti sesuatu yang sedang terjadi sekarang. Seperti contohnya, she is reading book. Reading di sini adalah kata kerja yang menyatakan sesuatu yang sedang dilakukan sekarang dengan menggunakan in. Read plus in. Okay, do you understand after this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and then tak hanya untuk hal yang sedang terjadi sekarang, present continuous tense digunakan untuk temporary event. Temporary event. Repeat after me, temporary event.
Temporary event.
Nah, temporary event ini untuk menyatakan tindakan yang tidak lama terjadi namun dalam waktu sementara. Contohnya, he is studying a new language. Okay, like this. And we can use the present continuous tense to talk in action. talk the action around time. Ini memberikan dengan time. Jadi ini maksud dari talk, the action around time, yaitu kita membicarakan aksi yang sedang terjadi dalam waktu pembicaraan. Jadi saat kalian sedang berbicara dengan teman kalian, kalian dapat menggunakan present continuous tense. Now, are you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you don't understand, please don't shy to ask me, okay? Don't scared. Okay, and tadi kan kita sudah membahas nih tentang kapan saja sih present continuous tense dilakukan nah sekarang kapan nih kira-kira present continuous tense tidak boleh digunakan, atau apakah ada larangan dalam menggunakan present continuous tense? Of course there is larangan dalam menggunakan present continuous tense yang khususnya untuk ada beberapa. Yang pertama ada namanya perception atau sensation, yang artinya kata kerja menunjukkan indera manusia. Kira-kira indera manusia itu seperti apa?
Melihat,
mencium, mendengar,
meraba,
hear,
hearing,
taste, touch.
tasting.
Ini adalah kata yang tidak boleh digunakan dalam present continuous tense. Lalu bukan hanya itu, di present continuous tense juga tidak boleh digunakan untuk kata communication atau emotion. Repeat after me. Cognition. Emotion. Nah, contohnya yaitu seperti hate, love,
Hating,
love.
loving.
Nah, ini adalah salah satu kata cognition or emotion yang tidak boleh digunakan dalam present continuous tense. Okay, good. Nah, jadi tadi kan udah dijelaskan nih tentang apa saja yang dapat kalimat yang dapat menggunakan present continuous tense dan yang tidak boleh untuk digunakan dalam present continuous tense. Tapi mungkin di sini teman-teman pasti bingung kan, kira-kira bagaimana sih cara menulis present continuous tense menggunakan formula yang tepat, karena seperti kita yang tahu menulis present continuous tense itu tidak boleh sembarang dan harus berdasarkan formula yang tepat, or the correct formula. Jadi di sini Mem akan menulis formulanya, dan saya harap guys you can take notes and try to note the important thing that I explained to you. Okay? Take your book or your paper. I want guys to remember the formula, so that's why you have to write it. Oke, jadi ada 3 formula atau peraturan dalam present continuous tense. Yang pertama ada positive formula. Jadi positif formula itu digunakan untuk kalimat positif. Nah, untuk formulanya itu terdiri atas subject plus to be plus verb tambah ing and object. Jadi ini adalah formula dalam menulis kalimat menggunakan kalimat positif. Nah, yang dimaksud sini dengan subject itu seperti she, he, they, I, and you. Nah, ini adalah contoh dari subject. Nah, kalau to be itu seperti apa?
Is and
are. Good. Are and is. That's right, students. Nah kalau kata verb itu berarti adalah kata kerja. Mungkin teman-teman semua tahu. Nah, namun hal yang perlu penting dalam present continuous tense, kata kerja ini selalu ditambahkan dengan ing yang menandakan is a continuous tense atau kata yang sedang berlangsung. Kayak contohnya cook, Kalau menggunakan present continuous tense berarti kita harus menambahkan ing dan then jadilah cooking. Dan objek itu sebagai tambahan objek dari kalimat tersebut. Sampai sini are you understand guys? Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
It's very clear.
Okay. For example, I will give an example about the positive formula. Contohnya itu she is reading book. Nah, coba teman-teman tunjuk yang mana bagian subjeknya. She. Jadi she adalah bagian dari subjek. Kalau is
To be.
To be is to be. And reading
Verb.
Verbing.
ya betul. Read is verb ditambah dengan ing jadi
Present continuous tense.
yes. And the last is the
Book.
object.
Object.
Okay, guys. Oh, you are smart. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys. Now, so I have said that there is three, right?
Yes.
Three formula. The second formula is negative formula. Nah, jadi negatif formula ini digunakan untuk kalimat yang menyatakan kalimat negatif. Formulanya itu adalah tidak jauh berbeda dengan positif. Yang membedakan pada formula negatif kalimat negatif yaitu adanya penggunaan not. Nah, verb dan objek. Okay. So this is the formula of negative sentence.
Oh,
Jadi
ada not di sini.
ya di sini kuncinya itu terletak pada not. Jadi kalau kalian membuat suatu sentence menggunakan negative formula, don't forget to add the not. Nah, contoh kita masih menggunakan yang kayak tadi ya, tapi kita mengubahnya menjadi negative sentence. She is not. She is not reading book. She is subject is to be not ditambahkan untuk negatif. Reading is verb
Verbing.
and object is
Book.
okay. Now, and the last formula. Okay. Sampai sini apakah teman-teman sudah paham nih tentang apa positif dan negatif formula?
Sudah.
Okay, sudah. Okay. Now we will discuss about the interrogative formula. Nah, kalau tadi ada positif formula dan negatif formula, di sini kita menggunakan present continuous tense juga untuk menanyakan sesuatu. That's why we use the interrogative formula. Nah, rumusnya itu dia berbeda dengan negatif dan positif formula. Rumusnya itu be to be tambah subject tambah verb and object. Like this. This is the negative interrogative formula. Dan don't worry to add the question mark. Okay? Ya, jadi hal yang penting itu adalah to be-nya selalu di depan untuk interrogative formula dan selalu menambahkan kata tanda atau question mark in the last of the sentence. Nah, for example is she reading book. Nah, this is the example. Is the to be. She is the subject. Reading is verb plus ing and book is object. Okay, guys. Wow, interesting.
Wow.
So good, guys. I guess you all already understand about it. Okay. So now, I think that you already understand about the formula. So I want to test you guys. I want to test your understanding about the formula and definition. So now I will give you an exercise about present continuous tense. There is five questions, and what you have to do is you gather, you work in pairs. You can discuss with your friends about the answer, and I will give you 5 minutes to answer it. Okay? So now I will send the question under your WhatsApp group. So check your handphone.
Let me see it. I don't have a phone.
For you. For you, okay.
Huh? For what?
I
For
have
me?
sent the
Oh,
question, okay guys? Nah, sambil kalian mendiskusikannya, Mem akan mengenai soalnya sebelum nanti akan dibahas bersama-sama, oke? Jadi, oke, go on, you can discuss and try to answer it.
Apa tadi sopetan? Titik.
I am playing.
Bukan ke IR?
Bukan.
Oh iya kak.
Karena is
Kan kalau A itu harus isdi atau am di am itu apa? To be
B2B-nya cocok untuk I. Kalau R kayak di.
berarti kalau is itu pakai nam jadi
Ya.
atau she or he be.
Hmm.
Oh, jadi I am playing football. Oke, nomor 1. Catat itu nomor naik. Nomor 1. I am playing football. Jadi
Itu bisa itu sekali cuy. Ara is cooking. B.
Ada is cooked.
Cooking.
Apa itu kalau cooked?
Cooking kan pas masa lampau.
Oh iya kan ini.
Kita kan belajar present
Ara
continuous
is-
tense.
Ada is what?
Cooking.
Is cook.
Cooking.
Okay
Reza.
guys, I want your attention please.
What?
You can discuss it, but don't too much noisy, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Sorry. Reza is sleeping. Reza is sleeping right now.
Maksudnya berapa?
Mom is visiting grandmother. His sister is holding
Or is or visiting. Bahasa itu. Or visiting. Number 5. My sister. My sister is running. Sister is running. Apa tadi? Spanish. Tak kontak.
Okay, time is up. Are you done, guys?
Dan apa kemana langsung jawab kok?
Sampai di otak.
Jauh.
Okay, guys. Okay, attention please. So now we will discuss about the answer that you have to work. What you have to work. We will answer it. So the first number is I football. Okay, who want to go first?
Me.
Okay, Lisa.
I am playing football.
Okay, the answer is
A.
A. Okay,
That's right.
so how about you guys? What's your answer?
I think it's right. It's correct.
Okay, you said you have the same answer?
Yes.
Yes, so the answer is correct.
Yeay.
Excellent.
Sebentar gue dulu ya apa nih?
Flash.
Nggak ada kelas.
Nah, coba teman-teman kita sedikit analisis nih mengenai struktur formula yang tadi. Jadi, I itu termasuk di
Subject. M to be.
Playing.
Purposing.
And football is
Object.
Excellent.
Jauh.
Okay, and the second number. Who want to answer it?
Me.
Okay, Anna, please.
Ara is cooking fried rice.
The answer is
B.
B. Can you explain why you answer B? You have it.
Because that is present continuous tense. Is
Okay.
cooking.
You using the
Verb plus ing.
Oh, okay. So you use the formula, okay?
Yes.
Positive formula, okay. What's our answer is correct?
Yeay. Gitu.
So, okay.
Ana.
Let's try to analyze this again, okay? Ara is
Subject.
is
To be.
be.
Purpose ing.
Object.
Okay, guys. Oh, you understand.
It's so easy, man.
Thank you.
Easy.
Why it's easy?
Is it
Because I explained it well, right?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, guys. So the third number. Who want to answer it?
Me.
I think you have done answer it.
Anna.
Can we answer?
okay, ma'am? The answer is C. Reza is sleeping right now.
Za.
Okay, the Anna answer is also correct.
Wee.
Give applause to Anna. Yes. You have to give applause to your friends.
Wonderful.
Okay, so Reza
It's
is
sleeping right now.
yeah,
I'm not
that's
sleeping.
right. It's a present continuous tense using a positive formula.
Formula.
Okay, for the number 4.
Me.
Okay, Reza.
Mom
Let's
or
it. Go on.
mom are visiting grandmother. Is that correct?
Visiting mother. That's correct. Good answer.
Salah bukan kau.
Okay, good answer, Reza.
Pulang selesai nih.
And the last questions.
Ana.
Can you answer it, Anna?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what's the answer?
My sister is learning Spanish.
Is learning Spanish. Okay, it's also good answer and it's also correct.
Pintar kau cok.
Okay, smart. Okay, so guys,
Yes ma'am.
tadi kan udah nih belajar tentang exercise dengan teman kelompok kalian atau sudah berdiskusi. Now I will give you a task, another task. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Is that okay? Okay.
I'm challenged.
So what you have to do is you have to make your own sentence using a present continuous tense about your daily activity. Is based on you. Terserah kalian mau tulis apapun tentang yang kalian lakukan dalam keseharian kalian. Tapi harus menggunakan present continuous tense formula. Okay? Do you understand, guys? Is that clear?
Yes
Okay,
ma'am.
go on. I'll give you 5 minutes.
Just one.
Yes, one sentence each of you.
Apa ya?
I have answer in my mind.
Wow. Good.
Eh,
I don't have any idea.
Oh, come on, guys. You have to thinking about it. Anything. What you do in the morning or what you do in school, you can make a sentence using it. Come on, guys. Or anything want to ask me? Sebelum mungkin kalian masih bingung nih, nggak tahu caranya. Ada yang mau ditanyakan? You can.
No, ma'am.
Okay, if not, let's do your work.
Finish.
Finish.
Yeah.
How about Anna and Anna
Finish,
is
ma'am.
going to. Okay, if you're finished, done your work, do your work. So, I want Reza go first. What's your sentence?
Juna is jogging right now.
Yuna is jogging
Right now.
right
Now.
now. Okay, Juna is the
subject
is
to
to
be
be, Shohim is,
Working.
and right now is the
Object.
Oke, sampai sini. Nah, sekarang nih mau challenging lagi. Kira-kira kalau diubah ke formula lain bisa nggak sih?
bisa.
Kan udah tadi udah dijelaskan nih. So we gonna change it to sentence berdasarkan formula lain. Ini kan kalau ini guys, ini masuk apa? Ini masuk formula apa? kira-kira?
Positive.
Positive, right? This is a positive formula using a positive formula. Now we want to change this to negative formula. Is you still remember the formula, right?
Yes.
So
Of course.
what's the answer?
Juna
No.
Juna
still Juna. Juna is not
is not
jogging right now.
jogging
Right now.
right now.
Negatif ini bukan negatif belum.
Bagaimana teman-teman? Apakah
Yes.
sudah setuju jawaban Reza?
Yes, ma'am.
What Reza say is correct. Jadi bisa dilihat di sini menggunakan subjek, kemudian ada to be, dan yang paling penting dalam negatif formula ada
Nah.
dan ada verb ing juga objeknya. That's right.
Yes.
Sekarang kita ubah lagi nih ke interrogatif. Mungkin dari Ara bisa nih ubah.
Kan kamu tadi tuh.
Kan Reza sudah. Now Ara turn.
Is
Yes.
Juna jogging right now?
Is Juna jogging
Jogging right now. Tanda tanya.
right now? Yes. Not. This is the
Interrogative
Interrogative
formula.
formula.
Wow.
So is good answer and you are correct, Ara. Okay. Is the to be
Subject.
subject, join is
Verb ing.
and right now is
Object.
Dan hal yang paling penting dari interrogative formula is
Question
the
mark.
question mark.
Mark.
That's right. Okay,
Mark Zuckerberg.
sorry. This is the Reza answer. How about Anna answer? What's your sentence?
What is
The
your
daily
sentence, bro?
activities. How about Anna? What's your daily activities?
Okay, ma'am. So my answer is I am drinking coffee right now.
I'm drinking
Yang bener.
coffee
Drinking.
right now.
I'm drinking Milo every day.
Okay.
Are you?
This is Anna
No.
sentence.
Yes.
This is Anna daily activities. So guys, I want you to change it to interrogative and negative sentence again. Okay. Maybe Ara, you can answer it.
Yes.
You can change it to negative. Can you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Try it.
I am
Huh?
not drinking coffee right now.
Coffee
Right now.
right now.
Wow.
Okay, so this is the negative sentence using the negative formula. Then this is the answer. You're right.
You are
Okay.
professional right now.
I think
Expert.
I understand. How about Reza? Can you change it to interrogative formula?
Yes, of
Using
course.
interrogative formula. Okay, try it.
Am
And
I drinking coffee right now?
right
No.
now. How about Reza? Answer. Is that true?
Of course it's true, bro.
Is that true, Ara?
Yes, ma'am. Is it
How
true?
about Anna? Is
Yes,
that true?
ma'am.
Okay, what Reza answer is true.
Rating 1 mantap.
Yes, you're a rankings now. You're smart too. Anna and Anna smart too. You're
I'm
guys
the
are
number
very
one.
smart, my excellent students.
Wow.
So, I think you guys understand about the material. So, I want again ask you about what you understand about this material. Can you
Wow.
give your opinion and share about it about us? You can use Indonesian.
Oke. Mim,
Ya, jadi
jadi yang saya tangkap itu yang pertama definisi dari present continuous tense itu adalah rumus untuk membuat kata yang di mana kata tersebut sedang berlangsung sekarang atau sedang terjadi. Dan formulanya itu adalah subject to be tambah verb ing, karena ini itu adalah sebuah kata yang sedang terjadi sekarang,
Yes.
dan juga objek.
Okay, Reza, thank you for answering. I'm very grateful to hear that you are understand about my material. About Ara, are you understand Ara?
Yes, ma'am. So in my opinion, dari apa yang telah saya tangkap bahwa present continuous tense itu kata yang menunjukkan masa yang terjadi pada sekarang. Dan rumus atau formula dari present continuous tense itu ada 3. Yang pertama positif formula, yang kedua negatif formula, yang ketiga interrogatif formula.
Okay, thank you for answer Ara. How about Ana?
I think apa yang saya tangkap sama seperti apa yang ditangkap oleh Reza dan Sarah. Dan umumnya verb yang menunjukkan present tense itu kita harus tambahkan ing di belakangnya.
Yes, that's the ciri khas dari present continuous tense. So guys, I'm grateful to hear that you are understand about material, dan saya sangat bersyukur ternyata kalian mendengarkan dan mengerti tentang materi yang saya jelaskan. It belongs to us, for all of us. Okay, so now guys, so the conclusion of our material atau kesimpulan dari materi kali ini seperti yang sudah disampaikan oleh kalian, present continuous tense is a tense that used to express what something that happening now or in a certain time, atau sesuatu yang atau pembicaraan atau kegiatan yang sedang terjadi sekarang, dan harus menggunakan 3 formula. Apa tadi? Positif formula, negatif formula, dan interrogatif formula. Dan saya harap kalian dapat mengingat tentang penggunaan formula ini dengan benar. Jangan sampai kalian salah menggunakan this formula, okay guys? So guys, for your homework, so you have the homework. Why I give you homework? Jadi supaya kalian bisa menambah skill kalian dan menambah wawasan kalian tentang present continuous tense. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. So the homework is you're going to make a sentence again using a present continuous tense about not about your daily activity but about your school activity. So everything about your school. Okay? But using present continuous tense with the right formula. So guys, I think that's all from me. I think the class is end here. And thank you for your attention. Thank you for your kindness to hear my explain. And I'm very grateful that you guys can participate bisa berpartisipasi dalam kelas ini. So I think that's all from me. Thank you for each of you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi